and we're going to talk real quick about the easiest way to split difficult kindling without feeling like you're out of control. So I split kindling pretty consistently here, and I split it with this. This is just a Walmart $5 or $6 hatchet. It's nothing fancy. It doesn't have a razor's edge. It's not going to pop hair or anything like that. I'm going to split this. This is pretty tight grain. It's kind of gnarled. And I didn't split it more than that outside because I just split my kindling out of regular stuff. Now I'm going to take a couple swings at it. As you can see, you're really going to have to swing through that to get it all the way through. The other option is to try and pick it up. That doesn't work very good either. Here's the trick. I keep my splitting maul over in the corner. So here's the trick. Take this, stick her in there, take the split maul, you get the idea. You split some really big stuff that way. I do the same thing with wedges. I'll take and put a hatchet or a wedge in something that's really big and just drive it down in there. I know it took a couple strokes, but I can cut a pretty fair number of little pieces out of this, and I didn't have to go outside because it's cold outside. That works pretty slick, and it's a lot safer. You're in control. You're not trying to grab a hatchet and move this whole piece. So, your trick for the day. Hope it helps.